Oh, you started it?
This is when all the good stuff happens. I don't even have a thing.
What?
So,
that's FATTiE.
and this is iLLiEE.
And we're greedy.
As
When we wanted to try mukbang show.
because we always eating.
Yeah.
Clearly. And
We enjoy it.
oh, I enjoy eating so
And
much.
we be eating some pretty good shit. And what time is it? Like 9 something in the morning?
It's 9 in the morning and we got burgers
Why not? You know.
with heavy bacon.
Why not? Bacon makes everything right.
And we can cook. So
Maybe sometimes we'll cook. No, probably, because I'm lazy as hell and I don't always want to go get fast food. And I'm, you know, cheap. So, I have a junior bacon cheeseburger, heavy on the bacon, fuck pickles, and fries.
and then Whopper Junior. I mean, a
drink
Whopper.
is over here. It's a Dr. Pepper.
That's a Dr. Pepper like us. It's got pickles and lettuce and heavy bacon.
We're in my room.
Word, because she got off of work. And we ain't got court till 1:30.
Yeah, I gotta go to court today.
So.
Oh, this will give me some itis, so I can get some Z's, maybe.
Maybe not.
And then I got donuts.
Yeah, I ate my donuts.
Yeah, she definitely ate the donuts. There are 2 cronuts. I'm greedy, but I'm not that damn greedy. Now, she ate the donuts that I bought for her. And she was, I guess, excited.
Actually, I ate her donut.
Word.
So.
I'm gonna start eating now.
This is some good ass light, though.
It is.
You should sit and eat from your window more.
I don't want bugs to get me.
Through the window?
That niggas be coming.
So, because this is number 1, I don't have a table.
This is a laundry basket. It is.
It is. I don't want to do mukbang because I want to be famous. I want to do it because I love food.
Word.
If I'm going to eat it anyway.
Might as well show you people me enjoying it.
Yeah.
Nah, but FATTiE really be... She be really enjoying the food, like... She be singing and dancing and shit.
Word. Oh, when I ate that donut, I was like, you want some? She was like, it's sweet. I was like, it's so sweet.
It was a French toast
And this
donut.
part, it's so good. And she was looking at me like.
It was my donut to begin with.
And we have little munchkins that also like to eat.
Right.
And we just found this fish spot. So we definitely gonna be back.
We just know where the good food is. Maybe because we're fat, maybe not. I don't know.
I think it's because of that. Because I be seeing shit and I be like,
I think it's because we drive around a lot.
I bet you that shit's good as fuck. We got this taco spot. We gotta go to the taco spot.
Which one? Which one?
Tacos al carbon.
Oh.
Oh, bitch. These tacos are so good.
Dollar tacos on Wednesdays.
What's today? That's
Yeah.
tomorrow. Yum, yum, yum.
Every Wednesday we're over there too.
Between 11 and 2, right? It's gonna be so good. But
these fries are good. They're crunchy and salty.
that's just morning time. So,
They're fresh, right?
ain't no other
You see
fries
this?
in there.
I tried to do my hair.
So, the reason we have burgers is because
I like watching Peggy Neal, and she was eating a fat bastard in a bikini bottom. And I asked my sister, like, hey, you ever watch Peggy? And she's like, no.
No, bitch. And it was so good.
We started watching
cheese
Peggy.
falling. It looked so good. And then I instantly wanted a burger. My mouth was salivating. I was like, And we was watching, what's her name? This is like,
oh, Yang Soo Bin. I love her.
I don't want to be like these fat people I watched one time. This is how they was eating. They was ripping it off.
What?
They was like this.
Being fake?
And then she had the nerve to be drinking the water.
No.
No.
If you're gonna be fat,
I was looking at her, and
gusto.
she was eating grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm like, you better shove them in your mouth. I want to see cheese on your chin.
Got burger on my dress.
Okay.
You see? And I don't usually do that. That's usually bad. That must mean I'm hungry.
And sometimes we eat multiple times in a day. Like that other day. What did you have? You had, we had tacos, and then we had burgers. And then we had something else. And it was so fucking good. It was delicious. And she just came out and was like, Fatty.
I be hungry.
I was like, you still hungry, Waddie? And she was like,
I'm a Waddie. I am.
So, we went and got some food.
I got auntie elbow. How you think I got this? I'm a Waddie. I'm okay with that. Not really, but kinda.
You said you what?
I said I'm okay with it, but not really, but kinda.
Auntie elbow? It just means I know how to cook. That means I'm gonna be drunk at somebody's kitchen, cooking food, and dancing to all my auntie music. Ooh.
We can't include R. Kelly in the auntie music anymore.
Damn.
Now, you know, why somebody on Facebook said they don't they don't care how guilty he is, they still gonna play Happy People at their wedding. No, they said Step in the Name of Love at their wedding.
Niggas.
And then a bunch of people commented like, it's only right. Me too.
Oh my God. I can separate music from people, but this is too new. Like, the show just came on.
I don't know.
God damn it. It was having sex with the
I just made some
14-year-old.
room from what? I don't know how I feel about R. Kelly. That's my baby.
That is your baby.
I didn't watch none of it though.
I only seen clips because I ain't got no social media, so.
I keep looking outside. I live by a lake. There's a lake, right? Pond.
Yeah. I was like,
And it's so pretty outside.
I was gonna flip it. I ain't got no energy. Fuck that.
She's FATTiE finished.
I was really hungry.
I don't know if I told you I have a Whopper Junior. I got off of work, okay?
You trying to get crazy with me?
No. I don't know if I
I
told you.
definitely murdered that Whopper. And then, usually at the end of eating, you smoke a cigarette. But I only have one. And I don't know where it is. Bitch, I got Fireball in my bag. I got a baby Fireball.
Is it the one that he gave you?
Yeah. I was like, I don't know whose this is and why I have it, but maybe Jessica's asking me to hold it.
No, that's for you.
Look at my baby Fireball. Oh, we got time, right? But oh, yes. Maybe in time we'll get a table.
Maybe not.
Maybe some of those. Oh, you know what we should get, bitch?
Oh, you should judge me.
You know them side tables, them trays that go on top, so when you can sit and eat in bed.
Yeah.
And then
we could check out. Guys, Sears is going out of business.
Sears is going out of fucking business. All of them. You know what that means?
It's like Toys R Us.
Sale, 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 sale. So they're having a whole bunch of sales right now on electronics and like home appliances, refrigerators, washers and dryers, 50 to 80% off. I saw regular people clothes.
I still have do you want to eat a donut with me? Did you look sad? Just
I was gonna turn the camera to you so you can eat it. First of all, this is Jupiter Donuts. They're so good, bitch.
Here in West Palm Beach, Florida.
Yes.
Well, I got it off. I got it in Boynton because that's where my patient is. I work night shifts.
Word.
So I be up at night watching all you mukbangers.
Oh,
y'all
nice.
Making me hungry as hell. So when I get off of work, I be like, oh, I'm about to go get me some donuts. So I was watching
Big Bites.
Team Big Bites. I was watching him. Hey. So.
And he's in Sarasota.
Yeah, he was eating
So
cronuts.
she was telling me about donuts, and I'm like, well, bitch,
He
we
was
going to
eating
Sarasota
cronuts,
or
and I'm
no?
like, I want a fucking cronut. So I went and got cronuts. I had got 4 cronuts and 1 French toast donut. I ate a cronut on the way home. Then FATTiE ate a cronut and a French toast donut, and now there's 2 cronuts left. FATTiE is taking a shot. It was a fireball shot. That's the back. I'm gonna eat my.
Well, I feel I'm gonna do all the shit that people in mukbangs be doing, and they be like,
Look at my donut. It's all sugary.
boy, it was super good, super flaky. Show the inside. Bitch,
You want to see the inside of my donut? I don't want to get sugar on the floor.
Yeah, I got you. So delicious. It's so flaky and crusty.
It's encrusted in sugar.
It's delicious as fuck. I'm gonna talk about other mukbangers. I mean, other, not mukbangers, other YouTubers I watch. I watch Brandy, and this is what it reminds me of.
I love Brandy.
Brandy, I love you. You're so fucking funny. And she be taping on her phone too, because she be like, oh, damn, I dropped the goddamn phone. I'm like, yes.
It's so funny to me, because I used to get high as hell. And she reminded me of how I was when I was high.
Giggling, choking. She be like, thank you. It's such a nice sister.
I don't want to get sugar on the floor because I got critters here. The nasty people upstairs. Look, Team Big Bite. The sugar is so good.
It is delicious. I'm gonna be drunk and got the itis.
And we still have court. Might have a deposition today.
Bitch.
I was before you.
But you started before me.
Best Buy. When did I order something from Best Buy?
That ain't your phone, bitch. It's my phone.
Oh.
You see me looking like...
Well, I was looking. I'm like, what the hell?
gonna edit that part out.
And we're back.
I am full. I need a cigarette. And I'm gonna have the itis. You ain't gotta like, you ain't gotta follow, or you ain't gotta subscribe. Because I'm still gonna do it. Why you look at me like that? Like, bitch.
Where'd she go?
See you next time.